Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding the path, capture card, or remote play, because iMacs generally lack HDMI input. Once done, gather your hardware: HDMI from the Xbox Series X, a USB capture device, and a USB-C or USB-A cable for the iMac. Make sure your network is stable if you pick remote play. Wired Ethernet is better. Install the Xbox app on your iMac and sign into your Microsoft account now, so you can switch quickly to the next configuration steps. Once the hardware is connected, open your capture software and select the device as the video source. You should see the Xbox boot screen. If you chose Remote Play, enable console devices' remote features, set Instant On Power, and connect through the Xbox app. For capture cards, set the software to 1080p at 60 frames per second for lower latency. Disable HDR if colors look washed out. Also, check audio routing in the app, so game sound comes through the iMac speakers or headset. You finish by testing gameplay. Pair your controller to the iMac or connect directly to the console for best responsiveness. Make sure the capture app is in full screen, set audio monitor to preferred output, and reduce capture resolution if you notice lag. If you experience no video or poor audio, check HDMI seating, swap cables, and confirm the capture device is selected as input in software. Update drivers and firmware. One key tip: switch to wired Ethernet and restart device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.